Hello, my name is Nate. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. I am doing a bit of an experiment today. I've been working with some pearl pours and playing around with it, and I thought, I wonder how many different ways I can come up with to create pearls. Not just pouring puddles and stretching them out, but like pieces of Terra Artistry. She does her Dutch pours over top of the pearls, and they're gorgeous. So I was like, I wonder what else I could do. So I'm going to try something a little bit different today. I've got a 24 by 24 inch canvas, and I'm going to try and get a flower. These paints are very fluid, so I'm not sure once I spin it out, because I do have this on the spinner, I'm not sure that it's going to hold its shape, but I am going to do, just like I do my wrecked flowers, I'm going to put down a big puddle of my pearl pour mix, and then I'm going to put some color on top of this and let it come out in those petal shapes that it creates, and then I'm going to spin it out, and let's see if we get some pearls from it. So I'm going to tell you about my paints. This is a mix of Chromacryl Acrylic Essentials, DecoArt Satin Enamel, and a little bit of Vallejo Pearl mix. I usually just use the Chromacryl and the Vallejo Pearl mix, but I'm running out of it and I can't get any more. So it sounds like everybody's short on it. So I'm experimenting with this. I did a little test piece. It gave me pearls, so it should work. And I have thinned this down until when I drizzle it off of the stir stick, it actually indents in the paint, so the paints are very, very fluid, almost like a water consistency. And then I'm only using one other color. When I do my experiments, I like to use the least amount of colors possible, 2 or maybe 3 colors. So this is Golden's Dioxazine Purple, and this is mixed just with Floetrol and water and the paint. So again, super, super fluid, doesn't leave a mound at all when it's drizzled off with a stir stick. And I may do a couple of layers, so I have a little bit of my pearl mix reserved off to the side, because I may do more than one puddle of the purple. So I have marked the center of my canvas, and when I spin it, it looks like it's pretty much there. But once I spin this out, these paints are super fluid. I'm not sure if it's going to hold its flower shape at all. Might just be something very abstract, but I'm excited to see what I can get. So I'm going to go ahead, and I want the center to be dark, so I'm going to go ahead and put a little puddle in the center of this purple, and then I'm going to put my little flower cup on top. Let's make sure I'm centered. Oh, that looks perfect. I hope it is. But you never know. So now I'm going to go ahead and flood my canvas, and I'm going to start, I'll pour right over top of this cup, this dessert cup. That's probably enough, but we're going to spin it out just a little bit, just to spread it around. It doesn't need to be a big puddle, so let's spin that first. I don't need to cover the entire canvas. Ooh, that all drifted off to that way. Let's put a little more here. And spin again. Okay, that should work. Oop. Sometimes those satin enamels have little lumps in them, so it's good to get those out as soon as you see them. So, okay, I don't see any other lumps. My purple is already starting to come out from the bottom there. That's fine. It's an experiment, and I will learn maybe I shouldn't do that. But let's go ahead and put our first layer down.
Days of romantic prose and lilac wine. watching stars align. Days of making sweet honey, Melissa, lemon balm. Nights as warm as your breath on my chest, so calm.
Okay, so this was a fun experiment. There are parts of this that I really, really like. I'm super happy with the way this spun out. Look at these little tendrils that came out from the purple into the pearl white. So cool. I love that motion that it created. Really cool here on the edges also. I've left this about 20 minutes. I don't think it's going to develop anymore. I did get more pearls when using the exact same paints, when I did a puddle pour and tilted it out, I got more pearls. So I'm not sure if I got, some of these are really cute though. Look at that, looks like a little universe right there. So cool. I'm not sure if maybe I didn't get enough paint off of the canvas, but look at that, it's so pretty. The way it blended into the white there and made it soft, really, really nice. I love that. And more of those little tendrils as they're coming out. I love this little section right here too. Very cool. And these cells that are, the pearls that are coming up here in the center are really nice. What should I do? I wonder if maybe I should add a little more Vallejo Pearl mix next time. But I think this was a really fun experiment. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I try this again? Maybe with multiple colors, or maybe I don't need to do this again. Maybe this was enough. Let me know what you think. But stay tuned for the dry result. So here we have the dry results. Excuse the rain in the background if you can hear that, but I do live in the jungle. This is only 24 hours later, and my drying room does have an air conditioner in it, acts as a dehumidifier, but very thin fluid paints like this dry very quickly. So this will be cured in a day or two. I wouldn't say that this is my favorite painting I've ever done, but it was a really cool experiment. I learned a few things, and I may try this again later. Let me know what you think, maybe with some different colors and like make it a little more variety in the colors. But I'm really happy with this diakazine purple. It dried with a beautiful gloss to it, whereas the satin enamels in the pearl paints are very matte and almost has a chalky feel. So if I paint over this again, I'll probably just give it a light sanding, put some gesso on it so that dark purple doesn't show through, and I can reuse this canvas. That's a great thing about doing experiments. Nothing is actually wasted. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you very much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you'd like to see more. Now go out there and be fearless.